Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. I'm out here trying to get back on these videos. I haven't been getting many videos up lately. I'm trying to get back to them. But this is that grill that I did the last video on with those gas struts. I got it finished up. I'll have a little better video of it coming soon. But I got a Santa Maria grill that I need to get a few things finished up on. And this is the nameplate that I'm cutting out for it here. I also need to get a shovel and a rake built for it. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw those in on this video too. I haven't been getting that many up because when I was doing that catwalk, I kind of had to throw that catwalk in the middle of a bunch of stuff, and that thing took longer than I figured that it would. I should have knew that it would take that long, but I kind of thought I could get it quicker. So I just been trying to get stuff done now, get caught back up. On this, like usual, I cut a little bit, clean a little bit, and keep doing that until it's done. If you cut all that out and then wait to clean it, it'd be a mess at the end. But there it is, I got it all cleaned up. I have to get some paint on it. And then here I'm trying to lay out this little coal shovel. You can kind of see the layout of it there. Just gonna give it a very light score right there along that line so I can bend it right there. Then those side pieces cut off and those back corners will nip out. Then just get it clamped down and fold it over. Usually you have to put a little something there to hold it so it'll crease better. I was just trying to hurry and get it done right there. Then these are the handles for the rake and the shovel. I drill a little hole through the top where the handle goes. And then a washer will get tacked down there to stop the handle from going further. And a little clip gets put in through that hole. And a couple magnets make it pretty easy to get it put together. And then there they are. I got to get them painted too. Like I say, the spring handle will go up there at the top. All right, while the paint's drying on all that, I got back on this other smoker. Trying to finish getting the doors put on here. Some more stuff on the inside and everything. I have a quick video coming on this one too. This is a 36 by 24 vertical smoker, direct heat cooker. And like I say, it's just a bunch of random stuff that's going on. I mean, this was almost all of this is just one day. You know, sometimes one day you can go a lot of different directions trying to get stuff done. This will be the coal rack for that 36 by 24 smoker. Look at that little cold front blow in with a storm. I had to go put a sweater on. I don't know why it felt cold. It was like 60 degrees. But this one gets supports all along this rack right here, just to help support the wood and stuff when you put it in. And there the grill is finished up. I went ahead and got it painted and put on there. And got the shovel and everything painted up and on there.
Also got that shovel and rake painted up and put on there.
This is a 40 by 20 Santa Maria. That'll about do it on this one, y'all.
That'll wrap that one up. Still
if
moving
you're looking
along
for a smoker or
on
anything, grills, anything like that, I'll have my email in the description. You can shoot me an email.
Cut out for the other racks and everything.
And like I say, I have another video
pick up
showing
materials
that
for the tables and stacks and all that on this one.
But that'll do it on this one, y'all. If you're
pretty
new
much
to the
do it on
channel,
this one, y'all.
please like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.